How to use Remitly. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can use Remitly. Alright, now the first thing you can notice is that Remitly has an application as well as a website. So if you prefer the application, the first step is to download the app, or instead you can just open the web browser and then visit remitly.com. And then once you're on remitly.com, you'll be brought to the page where you'll be asked to create an account. Ensure you create an account, okay? Just click on join now or join Remitly. And then once an account has been created, your home screen will look like mine. That is, you will be brought to the home screen that looks like this. And then once you're on this page, you can see several options, right? All right, you can see some icons, which some options next to the logo, which includes send money, transfer history, refer friends. And then under the send money tab, you can see an instruction depending on your location. All right, for me, I'm currently in Nigeria, and that is why it is showing CBN and their restriction. So to send money, you have to input the amount that you want to send in here. You can also change the currency. All right, just you can input the amount in here, then the amount that will be received would be displayed. All right, and then after doing that, click on continue. Let's say for example, I want to send 50,000 USDT. Now you can see the amounts that would be received in Nigeria. After you've done that, click on continue. And then you can see that it's not allowed, that you can only send 25. Select it. I'm only trying to walk you through how Remitly works. And then after selecting the amount, scroll down and click on continue. And then we take it to another page where you'll be asked to provide a few details. All right, click on continue as well, and then you'll be asked to choose what you want to submit here. You want to submit your social security number or then your passport. Just go ahead and check through all of this. Follow the prompts, accept whatever they ask you to accept, and then fill in the information that is being required of you. And then once you're done, the money will be sent to Nigeria. And then you'll be asked to input the recipient's number and all of that. Ensure you do that so as to have a successful transaction. Then under the transfer history tab, you can also see other options. All right. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Here, you would see all of your transfers since you started using the Remitly website. For me, I have not done any transfer. That's why this page is empty. But for you, you would see all of the transfers that you've done thus far. You would see in progress. You'd see the one that's been delivered. You see the one that is being processed, and all of that. And then next to transfer history is the refer friends tab. Here you can see options for you to refer friends, and then when you refer your friends, you definitely get a commission from Remitly. Now you can see give $10 gets $10 more info. This is your invite link. By the time you invite your friends using this link, and then they go ahead and purchase things, or you go ahead to use the Remitly application to send money, you definitely get commission whenever they do so. So you can try this out. And then under the welcome option, by the time you click on it, you can see settings, redeem offer, help sign out, etc. You can click on settings so as to update your profile. This is because when your profile is not updated, you might not be able to send money. All right. Updating your profile information is a very important detail um to avoid unnecessary query and all of that. And then to change your country and currency, go to the top part of the screen here, select it, and then change it to any country of your choice. And then after changing the country, the currency by which you'll be sending money will be changed as well. And then under this send money option, you must note that after you put the amount you want to send and all of that, and after you put in the details that is required of you, you would have to provide details about the recipient. Okay, so you have to select the recipient's name, the phone number, and all of that. And then you also have to input your name, your phone number, your date of birth, and again select the payment method for you to be able to send money. So this is how you can use Remitly, right? Remitly is a very smooth website, and sure you try it out today. Thanks for watching and have a good day.